Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, The Girl Next Door, and I'm seeing you after a very long time. And I'm sorry about that. I had some exams और उसके बाद जब मैं फ्री हुई when I finally thought कि अब कुछ आपके लिए बनाती हूँ, I felt sick. तो अभी भी as you can see मेरी तबीयत थोड़ी ख़राब है, काफ़ी ख़राब है. My voice is nasalized, but I just thought, I rested for like 3-4 days. And now I'm back on track. I'm feeling much better now because बहुत टाइम से कोई ब्लॉग नहीं आया, कोई वीडियो नहीं आई, कोई कंटेंट नहीं आया, and I was feeling very bad about it because I tend to post regularly and I know that आप लोग बहुत मिस कर रहे थे मेरे ब्लॉग्स. So I just thought कि क्यों ना आज मैं करूँ a day in my life. वैसे तो आधा दिन ख़त्म हो चुका है. I'm a hopeless person in that matter, but आधा दिन ख़त्म हो चुका है. But my day usually starts like that. So I'm gonna take you guys along with me कि मैं आज क्या क्या करने वाली हूँ. First of all, I have to run a few errands. कुछ काम है वो मुझे करने हैं. Then I'll go lunch पे. उसके बाद I'll just hang out with my friends, have coffee. ये है सारा दिन का plan. Let's see how it goes. Yeah. उससे पहले if you haven't subscribed to my channel और आप चुके मेरे वीडियोस देखते हो बट अभी तक आपने अगर सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया ना, सबसे पहले सब्सक्राइब करो एंड सब्सक्राइब बटन हिट करो. उसके बराबर में एक छोटी सी बेल आइकन है. डू हिट दैट बेल आइकन सो दैट यू गेट नोटिफाइड व्हेनेवर आई अपलोड एनी वीडियो. सो नाउ विदाउट फर्दर ado, let's get started with today's vlog. The look that I have done today is like very simple, like just some mascara and kajal and liner and lipstick. Sunscreen is very important. Tied my hair back like this because इस टाइम पे ना मेरे बाल बहुत ज़्यादा फिजी हो जाते हैं मानसून के टाइम पे. एंड आई एम वेयरिंग दिस बोहेमियन ड्रेस कुर्ती काइंड ऑफ थिंग. यू विल सी मैं पूरा शॉर्ट डाल दूँगी इसका. एंड वेरी मिनिमल बिकॉज बहुत गर्मी है बाहर. सो आई डोंट वांट टू ओवरडू अ लॉट. सो या दैट इज़ दैट. और अब मैं चलती हूँ, आपसे मिलूँगी लोकेशन पे. Bye. Reached for lunch. It's 4 right now and I know बहुत देर हो गई है but we are here for lunch. बहुत ज़्यादा पसीना आ रहा था after a lot of hectic पसीना. It's very humid. तो सब काम निपटा के जो भी निपटाना था, अभी एक काम और रह गया है. तो that we do after the lunch. अभी हम लंच के लिए आए हैं at Karims and which is like one of my favorite places because I like it very much. I have been here once and मुझे बहुत पसंद आया था, इसलिए हम यहाँ पे दोबारा आए हैं. And I'll show you how it is. If you have never been here, this is a must try place because I like the ambience and I also like the food. खाना भी बहुत अच्छा है, इमेज भी बहुत अच्छी है. You must try that. So I'll show you around. And हमने ऑर्डर किया है कढ़ाई चिकन टिक्का बिरयानी, नान, खमीरी नान एंड नॉर्मल नान and cold drinks and all because we are like just 2 people. So I think that's enough for 2 people. And I'll show you around. It's very beautiful and very aesthetic.
If you found the one, you should never give her up. I think it's the way life changes when in love, yeah. I surround my soul with the positivity. That's why I don't worry about the things that I don't see, yeah. These days I don't worry about much. I think we should have some more fun. I still dream about the days when we were young. I'll take a hit and still finish in one, yeah.
Okay, so we are at Andres right now just to have coffee because my friend we wanted to catch up, so we just came over to have coffee. और बाहर पता है बहुत बारिश हो रही है. जैसे तैसे बचते बचाते I somehow managed and we came here to have some snacks, some coffee, some snacks, some nachos and the vibe is always very chill here, very cool. I like to come here, often hang out. So yeah, that was it for this vlog. A very mini vlog of a day in my life. जहाँ पे आपने मुझे देखा सिर्फ hopping around from one place to another. I stepped out of the house after a very long time, so I had to catch up with a lot of friends. So yeah, that was it for today's video, and I'll see you in the next one. Till then, take care. Bye bye.
You and me, you and me,